Hi all, welcome back to our class. We were discussing about degree measure and radian measure. We studied how to change degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into degree measure. Let us discuss some problems related with that topic. Convert minus 47 degree 30 minutes into radian measure. So we have the formula how to change degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into degree measure. Here our measure is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. It's a negative angle. Okay. That we have to change into radian measure. So the answer is in radian measure is also negative. So I am going to take only a positive angle. That is 47 degree 30 minutes. Last step we can put the minus sign. Okay. So 47 degree 30 minutes we have to change this degree measure into radian measure. We have the formula radian measure. How we can change into radian measure? That is pi by 180 into degree measure. That is radian measure. So here 47 degree 30 minutes. Actually minus 47 degree 30 minutes we took only 47 degree 30 minutes. We have to change this 47 degree 30 minutes into radian measure. But here degree, here minutes. Both are in different units. Okay, one is degree, other is minutes. We have to change this minutes into degree. So we know 30 minutes is equal to 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Isn't it? 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Therefore, 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60 degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60 degree. We can cut 0, 0, 1, 2. So, 1 by 2 minutes. So, sorry, 1 by 2 degree. So, 1 by 2 degree. So, 30 minutes is equal to 130 by 60 degree. So therefore it is equal to 1 by 2 degree. So we can change this 30 minutes into 1 by 2 degree. That means 47 degree 30 minutes is equal to 47. Instead of 30 we have to give 1 by 2 degree. That is 47 1 by 2 degree. So both are in degree measures. That is, we have changed this 30 minutes into degree. 30 minutes means 1 minute 1 by 60 degree. 30 minutes 30 by 60 degree. We can cut 1 2. So therefore we got 1 by 2 degree. What is 47 1 by 2 degree? Which is equal to, we can change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 47 into 2 94. 94 plus 1 95. 95 by 2 degree. So we wrote 47 degree 30 minutes into 95 by 2 degree. Now we have to change this degree measure into radian measure. So radian measure is equal to, what's our formula? Pi by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure means 95 by that much radian. So here we have changed into this 95 degree 2 minutes into radian measure. We can cut 180 and 95 with 5. So the 5 we got 3, 6, 1, 9. So we got 90 30 by 36. Which is equal to pi into 90, which means 90 pi. So 19 pi divided by 36 into 2. 36 into 2 means 72. 36 into 2 which is equal to 72. So we got 47 degree 30 minutes is equal to 90 pi by 72. So you have to change minus 47 degree into 30 minutes, which means minus 47 degree 30 minutes, which is equal to minus 90 pi by 72. So we have changed this minus 47 degree 30 minutes into radian measure, that is minus 90 pi by 72. Let us discuss another problem. Convert 5 pi by 3 into degree measure. So here we have radian measure. We have to change this radian measure into degree measure. So 5 pi divided by 3. That is in radian measure. We have to change this into degree measure. What is our formula? Our formula is degree measure means 190 by pi into radian measure. That is our formula for changing radian measure into degree measure. 190 by pi into radian measure, which is equal to, we have to write 190 divided by pi into, what is radian measure here given? 5 pi by 3. So instead of radian measure, we have to write 5 pi by 3. So 180 by pi into 5 pi by 3, which is equal to, we can cut 3 and 180, we got 560. Cut with the 3, we got 60. So 60 into 5 pi by pi. Also we can cut this pi and this pi. Can cut this pi and this pi. So we got 60 into 5, which is equal by 1, 1. So 60 into 5. 60 into 5 is equal to 300. So 300 degree. So 5 pi by 3, which is equal to 300 degree. Let us consider another question. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. Another question. Convert 6 radian into degree measure. We have to change 6 radian into degree measure. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we have to change this 6 radian into degree measure. Our formula is pi 180 by pi into radian measure, that is the degree measure. So we have to change this 6 radian into degree measure, which is equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Radian measure is 6. So 180 by pi into 6, as much degree. We have changed it into degree measure. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. So we give 180 by, instead of this pi, we are giving 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 means 7 will become in the numerator into 6, that much degree. So 180 into 7 into 6 by 22 degree. When we calculate this, we can cut with the 2, then we got 11, we got 3. So 180 into 7 into 6 divided by 11. Then we will calculate this, we will get 343, 7 by 11. So 180 into 7 into 3 by 11. When we calculate this, we will get 343, 7 by 11 degree. So 743, 7 by 11 degree means, here 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. So I am going to write 343, 7 by 11 means plus 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. So 343, 7 by 11 degree means 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. So here 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. Here 7 by 11 degree. We never use 7 fraction, a degree in a fraction measure. You have to change this degree into minutes and second. So 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. 7 by 11 degree means we can change this degree into minutes. How can we change the degree into minutes? 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 7 by 11 degree means 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 7 by 11 degree means 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. is equal to 7 into 60 by 11. That is 420 divided by 11. 420 by 11. We got 420 by 11. When we cut this, we got it is equal to 420 by 11 minutes. So we change this degree into minute, that is 420 by 11. We can divide 420 and 11. We will get 420 by 11. So 11 into 3, therefore 33. Therefore we got 9, 0, 11 into 8, 88. Remainder 2. So 420 minutes, 420 by 11 minutes means 38, 2 by 11 minutes. 38, 2 by 11 minutes. So it is equal to 343 degree is there, plus 7 by 11 we change it into 38, 2 by 11 minutes. 38, 2 by 11 minutes. Look at here. 343 degree plus 38, 2 by 11 minutes means 343 degree plus 30 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. Isn't it? So 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. Here also a fraction, 2 by 11 minutes. We can change this fraction into second. Sorry, this minutes into second. So 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. So 2 by 11 minutes is equal to, we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 2 by 11 minute means 2 by 11 into 60 seconds. So 2 by 11 into 60 seconds, which means 60 into 2, 120 by 11. So 120 by 11, so we can divide 11, 1. So we got, otherwise we can write 2 by 11. Otherwise we can write 2 by 11 means 2 by 11 means we can change into second by into 60. So 120 by 11. So we can cut 120 by 11. We can easily write 10.9 seconds. 120 by 11 is equal to 10.9 seconds. So we can easily divide 120 by 11. The answer is 10.9 seconds. So it is equal to 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus 10.9 seconds. So we change 6 radian into 6 radian into 6 radian is equal to 343 degree 38 minutes 10.9 seconds. So 6 radian is equal to 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus 10.9 seconds. So degree measure, which is 6 radian changed into 343 degree 38 minutes 10.9 seconds. Okay. Another question, convert 11 by 16 radian into degree measure. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So degree measure, how you can change 180 by pi into radian measure. Isn't it? 180 by pi into radian measure. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, which is equal to 180 by 22 by 7 means 7 will become in the numerator into radian measure 11 by 60. So 180 into 7 into 11 divided by 20 into 60. We can cut 11 and 22 2 times here 1, then also 16 and 180. So with the 4 we got 4, here we got 4, remainder 2, 45. So 45 into 7 by 2 into 4, which is equal to 315 by 8. 315 by 8 degree. When we calculate this, 180 by 22 into 7 into 11 by 16, after cutting the common factors, we will get 35 by 8 degree. So we are going to change 11 by 16 radian into 315 by 8 degree. 315 by 8 degree means when we divide, we will get 39 3 by 8 degree. When you calculate 315 by 8, when you divide, you will get 39 3 by 8 degree. So 39 3 by 8 degree. 315 by 8 means 39 3 by 8 and then degree. So 39 3 by degree, which means 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree. Isn't it? 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree. So 3 by 8 degree. How can we change this degree into seconds? 3 by 8 degree is equal to 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. This degree into minutes. That means 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. We can cut with the 2 or 4, 2, here 50. Therefore, 3 into 15 by 2. So 3 into 15 by 2 means 40. 3 into 15, 45 by 2. So 45 by 2. 40 by 5, 2 means when we divide, 45 by 2 means 2 to 4, then 5, 2, 4 remainder 1. Therefore, 3 by 8 degree is equal to 39 degree plus 22 1 by 2. 22 1 by 2 minutes. So 22 1 by 2 minutes. So we got 39 degree plus this 3 by 8 degree changed into minutes by 3 by 8 degree into 60 minutes, which means when we cut, we got 45 by 2. When we divide, we get 22 1 by 2. So that much minutes. Here 39 degree plus 22 1 by 2 means 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes. 22 1 by 2 minutes means 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes, which means 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes. Here 1 by 2 minutes. We have to change this fraction. So into second. That means 1 by 2 minutes is equal to 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. When we cut 2 and 60, we got here 30. So second. So when we cut 2 and 60, we got 30. Therefore, 1 by 2 is equal to 30 seconds. So our answer is degree measure 11 by 16. 11 by 16 radian is equal to 39 degree 22 minutes. 1 by 2 second is equal to 30 seconds. 1 by 2 minutes is equal to 30 seconds. Therefore 30 seconds. So we change 11 by 16 degree is equal to 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Another question. Find the radius of the circle in which center angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. There is a circle, then angle is 60 degree and length is 37.4, angle is 60 degree. Then you have to find the radius. We have to find the radius of the circle. So find the radius of the circle in which center angle of 60 degree intersects an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. So we have a formula relating with the theta and radius and length of the arc. Theta is equal to L by R. L by R. Theta is equal to L by R, or R is equal to L by theta. So R is equal to L by theta. So R is equal to L by theta. So find the radius. We can find radius using this formula. L by theta. Here theta is in degree measure. This is 37.4 centimeter length. Here theta is in 60 degree. So we have to find the radius. So radius in centimeter, we have to find radius in centimeter. So this is 60 degree. So we have to change this 60 degree into radian measure, which means 60 degree, which is equal, we have already studied 60 degree means pi by 180 into 60 radian. Pi by 180 into 60 degree can be changed into pi by 180 into 60 radian. When we cut this, we got 3, 1, which is equal to pi by 3 radian. So 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian. So instead of this 60 degree, we are going to write pi by 3 radian. So our formula is R is equal to L by theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree, which is equal to pi by 3 radian. Theta is equal to pi by 3 radian, which means R is equal to L, length of the arc, that is 37.4 divided by theta is pi by 3 radian, which means pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 by 3 radian. So 22 by 7 by 3, which is equal to, we got 37.4 into this 3 will become in the numerator, 7 also in the numerator, and divided by 12. 12 become in the denominator. So 22 by 7, which means 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22, which is equal to, when we calculate this, we will get 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22, which is equal to 35.7 centimeter. So we got R is equal to 35.7 centimeter, which means we have to find the radius. We have the formula L by theta. We have given L is equal to 37.4 divided by theta. Theta is 60 degree. We change it in radian measure. We got pi by 3. Therefore, 22 by 7 by 3. And when we move to numerator, we got 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22, which is equal to 35.7 centimeter is the radius of this circle. Another question. If in two circles arcs of same length, certain angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radius. We have two circles, arcs of same length. Circles have same length and angles are 60 degree and 75 degree. Two circles. Therefore, their angles are theta 1 is 60 degree. The angle of second circle is theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. Arc length is same length. Arcs of the same length. Both are L. Length of arcs are L. Find the ratios of the radius. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. The radius of the first circle is R1. We can take the radius of the second circle will be R2. R1 and R2 are two radius of the circle. Therefore, we have to find the ratios of their radii. So, radius of first circle is R1 and the radius of second circle is R2. We have to find R1, ratio of R1 and R2. So, theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. So, we have to find the ratios of the radius. So, we have to change this degree into radian measure. So, theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, which is equal to pi by 180 into 60 radian. We can change this 60 degree into radian measure. We can cut this, therefore we get pi by 3 radian. So therefore 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian. So we got 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian. Second angle is theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, pi by 180 into 75 radian. So, pi by 180 into 75 radian, which is equal to 5 pi by 12 radian. 5 pi by 12 radian. When we change this 75 degree into radian, we got 5 pi by 12 radian. When we cut this 75 and 180, we got 5, 12. Therefore, 5 pi by 12 radian. So, theta 1 is equal to pi by 3 and theta 2 is equal to 5 pi by 12. So, we have to find the radius of ratios of R1 and R2. We have the formula L is equal to or R is equal to L by theta. R is equal to L by theta. R is equal to L by theta. Here, theta 1, theta 2, L are same. Two circles, arcs are same length. Both are L. Then theta 1, theta 2. Therefore, we can write L is equal to, in first circle, radius is R1 and angle is theta 1. Therefore, L is equal to R1 theta 1. L is equal to R theta. Therefore, first circle, L is equal to R1 theta 1. In second circle, L is equal to R theta, or second circle radius is R2 and angle is theta 2. So, L is equal to R1 theta 1 in first circle. Second circle, L is equal to R2 theta 2. So, here L, here L. Both are same length. Therefore, both are same. Therefore, R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2, which is equal to L. Therefore, R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. Now, we can substitute the values of theta 1 and theta 2. We will get the ratios of R1 and R2. So, R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. R1 into theta 1. Theta 1 is pi by 3. Therefore, theta 1 into pi is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, R1 into pi by 3, which is equal to R2 into theta 2. Theta 2 is equal to 5 pi by 12. R2 is equal to R2 into 5 pi by 12. Therefore, we can cut this 5 and this pi and this pi. Then 3 and 12, 1, 4. So, we got R1 into 1 by 1. That is R1, which is equal to R2 into 5 by 4. R1 is equal to R2 into 5 by 4. When we bring this R2 into LHS, we got R1 by R2, which is equal to 5 by 4. R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, the ratio of R1 is to R2, which is equal to 5 is to 4. So, two circles of same length, angle 60 degree and 75 degree. First, we change this 60 degree and 75 degree into radian measure. Then we have the formula L is equal to R theta. So, take the first circle, we take L is equal to R1 theta 1. Second circle, L is equal to R2 theta 2. Equating, we got ratio R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4.